So one of the questions I get asked all the time is, for example, say, so I've got 3 lights going down this way and I've got 1 light going out to this tree. So I always get asked, well, can you tee into the line? Can you tap into the line? Or people will call me and they get their kits and they see these things and they wonder what they're for. That's exactly what it's for. It's to tee into a line. So as you can see here, I've got my wires coming in and going out that way, and I just want to run 1 wire out to this guy here. So I'm going to use my gel filled DBRY connectors to do that. And the one point I will make is anytime you're making a tee or something like this, try and do it at a point that you're making a connection anyway, so that if this ever fails, you know where to dig up. So I'm doing it right by a light here. So I know that if this fails, if that light stops working and it's still connected there, then I can come back to my next point. I can just dig up this one area, as opposed to if you just do this in the middle of nowhere, well, then you could be looking for a broken wire forever. So anytime you're teeing into the wire, try and do it at a place where you're already doing a junction, so that way you know where to look if it ever fails.